Travel is not reserved for people with unlimited money. I have explored different countries, sailed on several cruise ships, and learned how to stretch my travel dollars without sacrificing safety or comfort. Budget travel requires honest numbers, smart choices, and preparation for the unexpected. 1. Set a realistic budget. Include flights, accommodations, transportation, meals, baggage, gratuities, excursions, insurance, and emergency expenses. A $700 trip can quickly become a $1,500 trip when the extras appear. 2. Travel during less popular seasons. Holiday periods and school breaks usually cost more. Traveling shortly before or after peak season may offer lower prices, smaller crowds, and better availability. 3. Compare the total cost. A cheap flight may become expensive after adding seats and baggage. A low cruise fare may exclude gratuities, Wi-Fi, drinks, and excursions. Compare the final price, not advertisement. 4. Stay flexible. Changing your travel dates, flight times, or airport may save money. However, a cheaper airport is not a bargain if transfers, hotels, and extra travel time erase the savings. 5. Choose value over appearances. Look for accommodations that are safe, clean, well-reviewed, and conveniently located. Complimentary breakfast, parking, airport transportation, or a kitchenette can lower your overall expenses. 6. Balance your food spending. Enjoy the local food without making every meal expensive. Combine one special dinner with cafes, markets, lunch specials, and grocery store snacks. The goal is balance, not deprivation. 7. Prioritize meaningful experiences. Choose the activities that matter most instead of trying to do everything. One memorable excursion may be more rewarding than 5 rushed activities. Include free beaches, parks, museums, and walking tours. 8. Use payment plans responsibly. Payment plans make travel easier to manage, but they do not make it cheaper. Review cancellation rules, non-refundable fees, and final payment dates before paying a deposit. 9. Protect yourself and keep emergency money. After my flight from Montego Bay was canceled, I paid approximately $120 to reach Kingston and about $1,200 for a replacement flight. Another traveler paid around $600 just for transportation from Negril to Kingston. That experience taught me that affording the original vacation is not enough. Keep emergency funds available and purchase suitable travel protection, but read the policy because insurance does not cover everything. 10. Work with a travel professional. A travel advisor can help you compare options, understand policies, and avoid expensive mistakes. Professional guidance is especially valuable for cruises, international travel, groups, and first-time travelers. The bottom line, travel according to your financial reality, not someone else's social media page.